Continuing the properties of triangles problems. Please try to see the next question. A cos square c by 2 plus c cos square a by 2 is equal to 3b by 2. Then a comma b comma c are in AP. In AP, GP, HP, AGP. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, hybrid progression, or arithmetic geometric progression. Right? So how to solve this question? Just I am giving in a hint. Please substitute cos c by 2 and cos a by 2 formulas. That is under root s into s minus c by AB. It will become A. So cos square here, it will come directly s into s minus c divided by AB plus c into s minus a divided by what? BC. Right? Is equal to 3b by 2. Clear? So now here AA will get cancelled, CC will get cancelled. What is the remaining? Take s by b common. This problem is already done, this type of problem. Right? So here s plus s, 2s minus c minus a is equal to what ma? 3b by 2. Right? Now 2s is what? A plus b plus c. Say yes or no? S by b into 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c minus c minus a. Right? So here plus a minus a cancel, plus c minus c cancel, and b cancel. So you have s is equal to 3b by 2. Right? So what is s? Again a plus b plus c is equal to 3b by 2. Now send this 2 to that side. Tell me what is the final answer you will get. Or sorry, s is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2, right? Yes. So these two will get cancelled. So from this, a plus c is equal to 3b minus b. It will come what ma? 2b. Right? Now tell me, if a plus c is equal to b or 2b is equal to a plus c, then a comma b comma c are in what?
AP.
Very good. Arithmetic progression, option A is correct. Clear? Now try to see the next question. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, then cos a is equal to. So directly substitute cos a is equal to what is cos a, Nana? B square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Right? Substitute this and tell me the value. If you observe the options, you can directly tell the answer. క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు మా ఆప్షన్స్ చూసి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టేయచ్చు ఏ విధంగా చెప్పండి కార్తిక్ ఏం సైలెంట్
7 by
7 by
8.
8 very good 7 by 8 is the correct. Have you solved this in this way or you are saying from the options?
Options solve చేసి
దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసావా ఆప్షన్స్ లో చెప్తున్నావా?
ఆప్షన్స్ చూసి చెప్పాను సార్ అంటే
Very
అన్ని
good.
1 above ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి
Very good Nana. So because if you observe the range of this cos, so it is lying between -1 to +1, right? So here if you see this 7 by 8 means less than 1, 8 by 7, 7 by 6, 7 by 5 all are greater than 1. We can directly ignore these all options, right? So if you solve using this formula b square plus c square minus c square by 2bc, you will get 7 by 8 only. Clear? How it is easy, right? Next, cos b by 2. So cos b by 2 is equal to, what is the formula? Under root s into s minus b divided by ac. Apply this and tell me the answer. Definitely here also two options will eliminate. You have only 4 by 5 and 3 by 4. What is s value? S is coming what? 16 plus 24, 40 plus 20, 60 by 2, 30.
30,
Under
sir.
root 30 into 30 minus 24, it is 6 divided by 2 into A is 16 into C is 20. Here 1 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 threes. So it is under root 9 by 16 2 ja.
3/4.
What will become 16 into 20, right? 32. Sorry, here AC only, right? Why this 2? So here 2 ones, it will get cancelled. It is 16 only, right? So it is under root 9 by 16 3/4. Yes, option 3 is correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The sides of a triangle are 18, 24, 30. Then the circumradius is, what is circumradius? That is capital R, Nana. Right? If you see this 18, 24, 30, which type of triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle, Nana. Right?
Triangle.
So 18, 24, this hypotenuse will become 30. Let us suppose the angles are, this is A, this is B, this is C. Right? So now angle C will become what? Angle C is 90, Nana. Right? So we know 2R is equal to C by sin C. Can we write like this? Yes or no? We know this C angle and C side 30, and we require C value, R value, right? So now what will become? 2R is equal to C is what? 30 divided by sin C. Sin 90 is what? 1, right? What R will
1,
become?
15.
15, right? So option 3 is correct. Clear? ఇక్కడ సీని అని కాదు, మీరు ఏది తీసుకుంటారో దాని ఆపోజిట్ అనమాట, అంతే. రైట్? క్లియర్? Now try to see the next question. If A is equal to 120 degrees, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 30 degrees, then A is equal to Nana. How to solve this question? Two angles tells 120, 30. What is third angle? B. B is equal to endama? 30. Use the relation. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. Use this and tell me the answer.
2√3, sir.
Very good. 2√3 is the correct answer. So here if you substitute, A is equal to, we don't know A, that is equal to B. B is what? 2 divided by sin B, sin 30, 1 by 2 into sin A, sin 120. What is sin 120? √3 by 2. So these two will get cancelled. Your answer is 2√3. Simple. Right? Now try to see the next question. If A is equal to 30, B is equal to 8, and A is equal to 6, B is equal to sin inverse x, then x is equal to. Right? So వాళ్ళు x అడిగారు కదా, సో దీని నుంచి జస్ట్ x రాసుకోండి, మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా. x ఏమవుతుంది? sin B. Yes or no? So now use A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. So here in the place of sin B you can put x. Right? Now x is equal to what? This sin B is equal to B by A into sin A. So what is B? That is 8. What is A? 6. Sin A, sin 30, 1 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 fours, again 2 twos, 2 threes. What is the answer? 2 by 3. Right? Clear? Option 3 is correct. Now try to see this thing. Cos C plus cos A by C plus A plus cos B by B is equal to. సో ఒకసారి చిన్న హింట్ అని, ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకోండి, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి.
1 by B, sir.
Okay, let's wait for the other answers as well.
One by B, sir.
Okay, 1 by B is the correct answer. Now try to solve the next question. Cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to 1. Then the triangle is. ఇక్కడ fourth option ఇవ్వలేదు. You can put anything. Let me put scalar. Try to solve this question.
Right angle triangle, sir.
Very good. Right angle triangle. So if you consider equilateral triangle, in that all angles are 60, 60, 60. If you substitute ABC as 60, 60, 60, it will come 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. That is, total will come 3 by 4. It is not equal to 1. So that's why it is not equal to equilateral triangle. Then isosceles. So in that case, two sides and two angles are equal. It is also not uh, reaching. So if you consider this right angle, one angle is 90 and other as sum of 90, maybe 60 plus 30, like that. So here cos 90 is 0. This will be cancelled. 60 cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So we will get equal to 1, right? So now this is a right angle triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this thing. A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 15, then capital R is equal to nana. Right? So here R ichadu. How to solve this question?
Delta equal to ABC by 4R.
Very good. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. This formula. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేసి సో మనం దీని నుంచి డెల్టాని కనుక్కోవచ్చు. ఏ విధంగా డెల్టా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అండర్ రూట్ ఎస్ ఇంటూ ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఎస్ మైనస్ బి ఇంటూ ఎస్ మైనస్ సి.
Yes, sir.
Right? So from this find the delta and substitute ABC values, find the R. What is S coming?
21, sir.
Very good. 21. What is del? Delta is equal to under root S
21.
is 21. So let us write this as 7 into 3. S minus A, that is A is 13. 21 minus 13 into 8. So write 4 into 2 because these are under root. Next S minus B, that is 7. S minus C, that is again 2 into 3. Right? So now if you write 7 into 7, 7 square under root 7, it will come 7. 3 into 3, 3 square 3. Next 4 written as 2. Next 2 square written as 2. 7 3 ja 21 into 2, 42 into 2, 84. Your delta is coming 84 nana. Right? So now what R will become? ABC, that is 13 into 14 into 15 divided by 4 into
84.
84. So 14 ones, 14 six ja. Next 3 fives, 3 two ja. So then 13 five ja 65 divided by 8. 4 into 2 is 8. So option 4 is correct nana. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to see the next question. A square minus B square into sin A into sin B by 2 sin of A minus B. Here I am just giving an hint. Substitute A as 2r sin A, B as 2r sin B. Small a as 2r sin A, small b as 2r sin B. What will become? So 2r sin A whole square, it will come 4r square sin square A minus 4r square sin square B into sin A sin B divided by 2 sine of a minus b, right? So now take 4r square common here. What will become? Sine square a minus sine square b. So what is sine square a minus sine square b? That is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, right?
Yes, sir.
So now here it is sine a sine b divided by 2 sine of a minus b, right? So here 1 2 will get cancel, 2 ones 2 twos, sine of a minus b sine of a minus b will cancel. Now what is the remaining? 2r square. Now see sine of a plus b. What I am writing here, sine of 180 minus c. Can we write like this? Because a plus b plus c is what? It is
180.
180. So from this I am writing a plus b as 180 minus theta. That is 180 minus c, right? So now here it is sine a, sine b there. Then what is sine of 180 minus c? 180 minus theta. Second quadrant, sine is positive, even function. It is sine c.
Sine C.
2r square sine a sine b sine c. What is this formula?
Delta.
Very good.
Delta.
Del,
2
right?
into delta.
It is delta. That is area of a triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see the next question. Cot a by 2 is to cot b by 2 is to cot c by 2 are in AP. Then a comma b comma c are in. Simply substitute cot a by 2. What is cot a by 2? That is under root s into s minus a by delta. So అన్నిట్లో under root వస్తుంది కాబట్టి కామన్ తీసేసుకున్నాము. S into s minus a divided by delta is to s into s minus b by delta is to s into s minus c by delta. సో అన్నిట్లో డెల్టా ఉంది కామన్, క్యాన్సిల్. అన్నిట్లో ఎస్ ఉంది కామన్, క్యాన్సిల్. అన్నిట్లో అగైన్ ప్లస్ ఎస్ ఉంది, క్యాన్సిల్. అగైన్ -1 మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది, క్యాన్సిల్. సో ఇఫ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ, సో దెన్ ఏ కమా బి కమా సి ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ,
AP.
రైట్? సో ఇంక మిగిలింది మనకి అదొకటే, ఏబిసి, రైట్? సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఏపీ నాన్న.
AP.
క్లియర్?
ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయా సార్ ఎగ్జామ్లో?
ఎస్, వస్తాయి. ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ.
ఓకే.
Try to solve this question. A is equal to 40 root 3, B is equal to 40, angle C is equal to 30. Then the triangle is isosceles, equilateral, right angle triangle. So simple thing here, if it is an equilateral triangle, then all angles must be what?
60 degrees.
60. Here already angle C is 30, so it is not an equilateral triangle, right? So in case of your right angle triangle, then it is must be satisfying a square plus b square is equal to c square, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you want find this, you can find this. And or here if you want to check the c value, how to find the c? From this a, b and capital C. So you can use this relation, c square is equal to a square plus b square cosine rule ma minus 2bc cos c 2ab, sorry, 2ab cos c. So c square is equal to a square 40 root 3 whole square ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? 40 square into 3, right? 40 square into root 3 whole square, that is 3, plus again it is 40 square minus 2 into a is 40 root 3, b is 40, cos c is cos 30 ఎంతమ్మా? Root
Root
3 by 2.
by
So 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 will get cancelled here. Right? So c square is equal to 40 square. You can see plus 40 square minus 40 square will get cancelled. This is 40 into 40, right? These two will get cancelled. So 40 square into 3, you just have, right? So
480.
it is 40 root 3 again. Sorry, whole square. We can write this. So what c will become? 40
Root
root 3.
3.
root 3.
So here if you observe, side A and side C are equal. So two sides are equal. What type of triangle?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles, right? So here a square a is equal to c nana. That's why it is an isosceles triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see this question. 4 sin a cos b is equal to 1. Tan b is equal to 3 tan a. Then sin c is equal to. ఇక్కడ రిలేషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, right? So how to solve this? Just make sin a cos b is equal to, what is sin a cos b?
1.
It is 1 by 4. ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది కదా, 4 అటు సైడ్కి వస్తే కదా 1 by 4 అవుతుంది. అండ్ అదర్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? tan b is equal to 3 tan a ఇచ్చాడా? సో రైట్ లైక్ sin b by cos b is equal to 3 sin a by cos a, right? So from this what we can make? 3 sin a cos b is equal to sin b cos a, right? So now you can substitute sin a cos b. What is sin a cos b? That is 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to sin b cos a, right? So now what you can do? Here you have sin b cos a and here sin a cos b, right? If you add these two, what will become? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b. These are now two different equations. Let it be equation 1. This is equation 2, right? So sin a cos b plus I'm adding this cos a sin b. Cos a
Sin
sin
A minus
a minus b.
A plus B.
Very good. So 1 by
A
4
plus
plus 3 by 4, it will become 1, right? So now it is sin of a plus b. So a plus b నేను 180 minus c రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
So what it will become? That is sin c. Sin c is equal to 1. What is your answer? 1. Option 4 is correct. Sin c. You require sin c, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us move to the next question. B square plus c square minus a square into tan a minus c square plus a square minus b square into tan b. Here very simple, Nana. This is not that much tricky, right? So elana చెప్తాను చూడండి నాన్న. Here b square plus c square minus a square ఉంది కదా. So from the cos formulas, b square plus c square minus a square will become 2bc cos a, right? Into tan a ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? sin a by cos a. So here one cos will get cancelled. Minus next time the c square plus a square minus b square means 2ca cos b into here tan b is what?
Sin B by cos B.
Sin b by cos b, right? So cos will get cancelled. What is the remaining there? 2bc
By
sin a minus 2ca
sin B.
sin b. So now what is the next step? Yes,
2
common. Okay, so what I am doing here, 1/2 BC sin A, BC sin A minus 1/2 sin B. Yes. So here I'm taking 4 కామన్ అన్న. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కదా, 4 ని కామన్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఏం రాస్తుంటే 1/2 BC sin A minus 1/2 CA sin B. Can anybody tell what is 1/2 BC sin A or 1/2 CA sin B?
Delta.
Very good. It is delta. Delta minus this is also delta. So delta minus delta, it is 0.
0.
Option 3 is correct, Nana. Right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now try to solve this question. So they given c square is equal to a square plus b square, then 4s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to
A square, B square, C square.
a square, b square, c square. Try to check once again. So c square is equal to a square plus b square means which type of triangle it is?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle, right? So let us suppose here right angle triangle and saying c square. So c square అంటే hypotenuse కదా, దానికి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుంది? This is c, that is equal to angle c is equal to ఎంతమ్మా ఇక్కడ?
90 degrees.
90 degrees, right? So what they are asking, 4s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So if you see, it will come what? 4 into, this is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, we can write as delta square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now I am considering delta as 1/2 AB sin C. We know the sin C value, right? So that's why I am writing it as sin C. So now what will become? 2AB whole square is there, right? Yes. Whole square is there. So 4 into, it will come what? 1/4 A square B square. So what is sin C? C already 90 degrees. Sin 90 enta?
1.
1. So here 4 will get cancel. Your answer is A square into B square. Option 1 is correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us move to the next question. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to 1. Then A is to B is to C is equal to. Right? If you see this, cos A, cos B undi, cos C ledu. Next sin A, sin B, sin C undi. Right? So if you assume this 90, C as 90 and A is equal to B is equal to 45 to satisfy this equation, Nana. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to 1 కావడం కోసము, సో మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇక్కడ cos A, cos B, cos C లేదు కదా, రైట్? సో నేను C 90 అనుకున్నా. సో ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? A is equal to B is equal to 45. 1/2 into 1/2, that is 1/2 plus here 1/2 into 1/2 into 1, it is 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2, it is 1, satisfying. So now A is to B is to C. So if you write in terms of sine rule, that is A is equal to 2r sin A is to 2r sin B is to 2r sin C, right? So in all cases 2r is common, just cancel out. Then sin A, that is sin 90, 1, sin 45, 1/2, then again 1/2. So if you want to eliminate this 1/2, multiply with 1/2, it will come √2 is to 1 is to 1. Yes. So option 4 also correct, because మనం ఇక్కడ B ని A ని ఎలా ఏం తీసుకొచ్చినానా? సారీ వెయిట్, యా, ఆప్షన్ 4 కరెక్ట్ అవ్వదు, ఆప్షన్ 3 అవ్వచ్చు. ఎస్, ఆప్షన్ 3 కరెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఇక్కడ చిన్న మిస్టేక్ చేసాం. ఒకసారి చూడండి. సైన్ ఏ సైన్ 45 కదా, 1/2. సైన్ బి sin 45 1/2 దెన్ sin 90 1 వస్తుంది. మనం ఇక్కడ 1 వేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ 1:1 నాన్న. ఆప్షన్ 3 is correct. Yes. Now next question, the maximum value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C, nana. Anyone?
One, sir.
One, sir.
How? Let us consider a triangle. Assume A, B, C are some values like 90, 30, 60 or 60, 60, 60 like that. Assume that and some substitute. Consider in a right angle triangle 90, 30, 60 consider చేసుకోండి. ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి. If you consider an equilateral triangle 60 plus 60 plus 60 చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఎంత వస్తుందో. If you consider in a other what? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle తీసుకుంటే గిన let us suppose 75, 75, 30 పెట్టుకోండి. Tell me in that case. So here if you simply consider equilateral triangle 60 plus 60 plus 60, right? Cos 60 plus cos 60 plus cos 60, what will become?
1/2, 1/2, 1/2.
So what is total?
1.
3/2.
3/2. Yes, 3/2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.